Hey my loves, welcome back. Same day I'm filming this part, but days later on the homes. Okay, welcome back to house hunting part 2. Now we're gonna go from the house 4 through 6. No, 4 through 7 or 4 through 6. One of the 2 or 3. They're kind of short, so we're gonna get into it. House number 4. I don't remember. Hold on. Okay, house number 4. Backyard told the story, did not get to go inside. OMG. That house, the backyard, looks like some haunted house type stuff. The steps look like it's about to tip over. The tree is already leaning to the left or the right, or whichever way you see it in the video. That was that for house number 4. The window was broken and it was just terrible. It was terrible. And the garage that was supposed to have been a garage, don't know if it really was a garage because it didn't look like it can open. And only reason why I'm looking for a house with oh yeah, it was a garage and it's all messed up. But anyway, only reason why I'm looking for a house with a garage because I like to do DIY projects and can't do it inside. And the backyard, if it's raining in Georgia, which is a lot, I like to just be ready to do it in the garage. Just open it up a little bit and do what I do. So that's the only reason why I'm looking for a garage. I don't have a car. I don't have a car. So, well, actually, I have a car. I bought one from somebody for $1. So house number 4 was here. Jesus. What you see on computer is not true. Number 5, the house was nice. The kitchen was so outdated. Walk in, lovely house. Just the kitchen. It was white-ish. The interior was white-ish. There was no stove, no refrigerator. The range looked like you crank it to turn. You see it in the picture. The range is so small, you think he was in a tiny house. And I guess where the range was, where you put the stove, that's where the range is. Where you put the stove, it looks like it's very narrow. Where you put the refrigerator, where the refrigerator goes. No. No. It was small. It was like you can't put a big refrigerator. No. So that was the problem. But everything else in the house, let me review first. Oh, the dining room was nice. The floors was nice. The walls was nice. The other room, when you walk into the front door, I think it was an office, was covered with Bible quotes or Bible pages. The living room had a fireplace. Then you had the 2-car garage. Then you had the basement, unfinished basement. It was nice-ish. I'm sorry. You had the unfinished basement, like there was no walls, just the plywood, everything up, and I could have DIY'd that. It wouldn't have been a problem. Now the master bedroom was nice size. It was nice size. I think it was over the garage. That's why it was that big. The bathroom was nice. The bedroom itself was nice. You can't get everything at one time, I tell you that. So that was pretty much all of house number 5. let's get to house number 6. House number 6, what caught my attention in house number 6 was the pool and the basement. Because it was nice basement, I could have my office set up down there, blah, blah, blah. But somebody rented that one before I got to finish. I mean, before I even got home to put the application in. So, it was nice. Just check out the house, the pool, the extra room. I mean, it was really nice. In my head, as I'm walking through, I'm like, yeah, I can put this here, or I can set up me a little lounge area. That's how many rooms they had. The pool was beautiful. Kitchen, to me, I don't know, y'all put too much energy on stuff that's not necessary, because you could have made the kitchen bigger. It was narrow but cute. I could have worked with it. I mean, they had the backsplash tiles and everything on it. I could have worked with that. So now, as far as the bedrooms, they were small. They was too small for me. And then they didn't have closets, doors. They had curtains. And then inside the closet, it was like a slope up, and then the floors was kind of slanted, crooked. You could have just rolled down to the next room. It still was nice. I could have DIY'd a closet or something, but the rooms was too small. So that was all for house number 4 through 6. I didn't get any of those. So that's that for this video. Thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. Do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe.